9214 40th Ave Northeast, dates June 17, 2022. I'm making this recording from the clean out in the back of the home. We are pushed all the way out to the city main connection here, the end of our 6-inch diameter liner. The pull back from here, it's kind of just a welfare check of the line. Is that 6-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner that was installed, I don't know, a month or so ago, a couple weeks ago. Come back from that liner into our section of PVC. The 6-inch diameter section of PVC. There's a 6-inch diameter clean out riser, top of the screen there. And we come back into the 4-inch diameter PVC here. So this is the 4-inch diameter PVC Schedule 40 that runs the entire length of the driveway. Come around the turn. It's also a clean out off of that turn. And down the home stretch here. And up out of the clean out here installed by Bob Oates. I'm going to end the video there. Line looks great.